Hey, what's going on, party people? So listen, there is a question on the floor. I have a comment that's coming from the previous video I posted about connecting your iPhone directly to your Rodecaster Pro 2 for the purposes of recording from the Rodecaster Pro 2 directly into the iPhone. All right, so here's the question. The question says, it comes from Jonathan Penfield. Great video, Walter. Do you know if you can plug the Rode SC19 cable into an iPhone or an iPad as an input so you can stream live onto the Mixlr app? Basically what he's trying to say is out from a Rodecaster into an iOS device. So one of the things that we definitively made sure that people understood yesterday is that yes, you can take an SC19 cable or an SC15 cable. The only difference is the SC15 is very short, the SC19 is very long. You can plug that into your iPhone coming directly from the Rodecaster Pro 2, and say you wanted to record a video with it, you can record a video with it. Say that you wanted to record a voice note or an audio note, you could do that, but does it also work with other applications? That's what I'm going to show you now. Let's jump into the iPhone, go into the Mixlr app, and see exactly how we can make this happen. All right, so right now we're going to go ahead and go inside the Mixlr app. So I'm going to Mixlr for Creators. All right, and what you're gonna need to do if you've never used this before, and to be quite honest, this was my first time actually using Mixlr, even though I've kind of heard about it. It's basically a social application that allows you to basically live stream or live broadcast your audio. And so I'm basically gonna go into Go Live Now. All right, and we're gonna wait for that to load. All right, and as you can see now, you can see the actual monitor that's going on specifically inside of the application. Now, some people may say, well, Walter, how do we know that that's the audio from the Rodecaster Pro 2 and not the audio that's actually coming just from the iPhone itself? What I'm going to do is actually mute myself on the Rodecaster Pro 2. Now, here's the dilemma. I'm gonna mute myself inside of this recording as well. So you're going to see my lips talking, but I want you to pay attention to the actual screen of my phone right now. As you can see, these audio levels are registering. All right, but when I get done with this, I'm actually going to try to do a screen record, see if it works. If it works, you will see it. If it doesn't work, you won't see it. But I'm gonna try to do a screen record of what Mixlr looks like, just so I can take it a step further so you can actually get an idea of what's gonna happen and how it sounds. But again, I'm gonna hit mute real quick and you will see my lips moving, but pay attention to the iPhone screen. You should see that stop registering, which means no audio is coming through whatsoever. Now, if I unmute my microphone on the Rodecaster Pro 2, you can clearly see there's audio. Again, here's my left hand. My phone is in my left hand. My right hand is over here with the Rodecaster Pro 2. If I mute it, you can't hear anything when I muted it, but when I unmuted it, it's now working. So hopefully that answers your question. Yes, you can use the Rodecaster Pro 2 to broadcast audio to an application like Mixlr. If you want to use Zoom, you can use Zoom as well. The only thing you cannot do is take phone calls while your phone is connected to the SC19 or SC15 cable. It's not a Rode issue, so stop contacting Rode asking why doesn't this work. That seems to be a huge issue or question that people just fail to wrap their minds around. It's so weird. You can actually get the audio from the phone ringing. As soon as you answer the call, it won't work. You can only use Bluetooth. So if you're doing a podcast or like a live radio show or an interview or something like that, whether it's even with FaceTime, it does not work. Now, FaceTime over the computer, that's a totally different story. But for whatever reason with iOS, the iPhone and the iPad, it does not work. So if you want to record an interview, record a phone conversation for a radio station, podcast, or for your own content, you need to do it over Bluetooth. It will not work with the Rode SC19 and SC15 cable, and also third-party cables will not work. The Apple cable will not work. I have it. The USB-C to Lightning cable will not work. It has to be a Rode SC15 or Rode SC19 cable for you to broadcast or send audio directly from the Rodecaster Pro 2 to your iPhone. All right, so we're inside of Mixlr right now. Just want to give you a quick demo. And this is my first time actually going through this with you. So I'm just going to hit start and see what happens. All right, so we get a notification that we're connecting to audio. All right, so Mixlr says that we're live. I got 0 listeners, but listen, for those of you who want to know what's going on right now, shout out party people. It's your boy Dub J coming to you with another video. I'm in the process of recording a YouTube video right now. And even though I have 0 listeners, I'm believing maybe Mixlr is one of those things we can actually blow up as well. But I'm recording a video because one of my viewers asked the question, can you use the Rodecaster Pro 2 to actually broadcast audio from that as an interface to your iPhone into an app like Mixlr? Guess what? Instead of just simply responding, I said, that's a great question. Why not create some content? Go over here to Mixlr and let's get it done. And as you can see, that's what we're doing right now. So we've already determined that it is possible. Hopefully other people will see this and decide to want to use this and take their content creation game to the next level. But until next time, you guys be easy, continuing using the Rodecaster Pro 2. Let me know if you have any questions. If you found this content helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I post new content to the channel. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.